This time we're supposed to find the value of the logarithm. Please keep in mind that x is just the variable. Sometimes you are going to see at this place x, sometimes y, sometimes p, sometimes q. It could be any variable, so don't get confused if you are going to see x at this position. So, in order to find value of x in this case, we're supposed to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. I have 9 to the x is equal 81. Copy down the left side and you are going to have 9x equals, and ask yourself 9 raised to what power is going to give me 81? 9 raised to the second power gives me 81. Anytime you have the same base, you simply ignore the base and copy down the exponents only. So if x equals 2. So the solution to my problem is x equals 2. Look at the second example. Again, we're supposed to convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. Simply write 5 to x is equal 1. Copy down the left side, 5 to x, and ask yourself, 5 raised to what power is going to give you 1? 5 raised to 0 gives me 1. Anytime I have the same base, I ignore the base and copy down the exponents. That's why I have x equals 0. And this is the solution to my problem. Next one. Convert the logarithmic form to the exponential. And we will have 10 to x is equal 10 to negative 3. Please keep in mind that this is the common log. Common log has always invisible base 10. That's why I wrote 10 to power x. I have the same basis. That's why I'm going to copy down just the exponents of x equals negative 3. And this is the solution to my problem.